In the bustling heart of Via Manno, one of the most lively and well-frequented streets in the historic center of Cagliari, stands the Church of Sant'Antonio Abate, Sant'Antonio Abate, a small hidden gem that often goes unnoticed among the shop windows and daily crowds. As you step inside, you're welcomed by an atmosphere of peace and contemplation. With the lights turned on, the interior reveals all its simple yet evocative beauty. The light-colored walls, the elegant altar, small Baroque architectural details, and sacred furnishings create an intimate setting that invites reflection and prayer. A warm, soft light highlights the details: religious icons, candles, and the statue of Saint Anthony Abate, holding his traditional staff with a little pig at his feet. The way the light plays across the space adds to the charm, creating a suspended-in-time feeling, offering visitors a quiet moment away from the city's hustle and bustle. Though small and modest, this church holds a deep sense of spirituality and an authentic charm, making each visit a meaningful experience, especially when illuminated and calm.